Hi, James. Good morning. How are you? Today's weather is so cool, isn't it?
Good morning, Robin. You are right. The weather is looking fresh and cool.
I think you are ready to go somewhere. Are you going to your work?
Yes, of course, you are right. I work every day and I don't miss work.
But I don't go early in the morning. Then, why are you going?
Humma, I always go earlier. I like it. I can complete lots of work. That's why.
I can see you are more punctual than me. But today, is there any special reason?
Not really, but we have a new boss in the office. So I have to go at 8 am early in the morning.
I see. You leave at this time every day. I appreciate your hard work. Well done.
Oh, thanks. I used to work at other times, but it has changed now. I like to work this time.
My routine is totally different from yours. To be honest, I am not a punctual person.
It's okay, it is not that much tough. You have to sleep earlier so that you can wake up earlier in the morning.
I can't sleep earlier. This is my problem. I sleep every day late at night.
But why do you sleep late at night? Don't you know it's bad for your health?
Yes, I know that very well. But I'm addicted to mobile. This is my problem.
Oh my God, it's not good at all for you. You have to change your habit quickly.
Yes, I want to change it. I want to be like you. But tell me, how will I change this habit?
It is not easier, but it is possible. You can fix a particular time. You will use your mobile phone, okay?
Okay, this is a good idea. I hope it will work.
Don't worry. It will take a little bit of time. If you keep doing this, you will be benefited.
Your life is interesting because you can do everything so well. Could you please tell me about your daily routine?
It is not interesting as you think. I have to do lots of things for my family.
Yes, I can see you are always busy. What time do you usually wake up?
Well, I wake up early in the morning at 5 am. I do some exercises and meditation.
Really? How long you do exercise? And I'm surprised about your meditation.
I do exercises for around 1 hour every morning. Why are you shocked about the medication?
Because I never tried medication in my life. It sounds quite difficult to me.
Oh, I see. But I don't. It's difficult. You can learn easily through the internet.
I will try, sure. Did you learn by yourself?
Yes, I have learned by myself.
How many hours do you meditate?
I do only for a few minutes in the morning. It helps me to focus on my work.
But usually I wake up at 6 am in the morning. I need to do this during the day, right?
Yes, you can do, but in the morning it's more effective. Because you can get a fresh environment that time.
I didn't have any idea about this before. Thanks for letting me know about this.
It's my pleasure, Robin.
What do you do after the meditation?
My typical routine involves taking a shower, which I prefer to be cold and prepare me for the day ahead.
Cold shower. Oh my God. I don't like cold water at all. I avoid it these days.
I know it sounds painful, but you just need to get used to it.
Well, by the way, I don't shower in the morning. Mostly, I shower at night.
But I enjoy a lot showering in the morning.
Oh, that's good too. Not bad, but I have tried a couple of times.
As I said before, you just need to get used to it. In the begging, it is very difficult.
You're right, then.
After showering, I get dressed and prepare my breakfast.
I didn't know about this before that you cook. Doesn't your wife prepare breakfast for you in the morning?
Yes, she makes breakfast for me. But mostly, she can't because she leaves home earlier than me. She is also working and she doesn't have much time.
That's why I never see her in the morning. That's really nice. She is doing hard work.
Yes, Although she's working Monday to Sunday, she handles everything so well. I really appreciate her.
She must be very tired after a long day at work, isn't she?
That's true. She is a very strong woman. She works harder than me. I respect her a lot.
So, as I know you make your breakfast by yourself, what do you eat usually at your breakfast time?
Since I don't have much time in the morning, mostly I make eggs and eat them with bread.
Not bad, but you must know everything about healthy food since you are working as a dietitian.
Yes, but I don't know everything. But I can tell you about healthy foods.
Well, as I know eggs are healthy, what do you drink after breakfast?
I usually like to drink orange juice, but it totally depends on my mood.
Actually, I don't usually eat eggs because I am allergic to eggs, so I didn't include them on my list.
Oh, I'm not sure which foods can be good for you. I can assist you with a special diet if you come to my home.
That's a really nice idea. Thank you. So, what do you do after that?
Okay, I need to water my plants after breakfast. I really like to do gardening.
Yes, I know because I've seen your garden. It looks nice and big. You have different plants.
Thanks, but it is not really easy because I have to take care of them with water every day.
I also like to do gardening. I don't have a garden, but I have some plants on my terrace.
Well, after that, I leave home for my work. I have my own car that I use.
I saw you have a car, but do you drive by yourself or you have a driver who drives the car?
No, I don't have a driver. I drive my car. Sometimes I take a taxi or the bus.
Well, I know a taxi driver. He is my school friend. If you need a taxi emergency, you can call me.
That's great. Will he come in the morning? I need to go early in the morning, as you know.
I am not sure, but I can ask him about this. Don't worry, I will convince him.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. But I wanted to know something. Although you have a car, why do you want to travel by taxi?
To be honest, I don't like driving my car. The main reason is the traffic on the road. I get angry and stressed.
I know. I can feel you. And what time do you finish the office work?
I finish my work around 5 p.m. But every day is not the same because of work.
Well, I can understand.
I need to eat something for lunch at work.
Why do you eat lately? It is not good for your health. Don't you know about this? Tell me.
I don't do this always, but yeah, sometimes. I follow a diet chat that allows me to do that.
Sorry, I didn't know about this. Okay, I can't say anything because you are an expert.
Thank you.
Well, my friend can bring you home at 6 p.m.
That's good for me. I have to arrive home before my wife so that we can cook food together.
So, for the dinner, what do you eat usually? Again, eggs. I don't think so.
Ha ha ha, not really. Sometimes we cook fish curry. Sometimes pizza or pasta I order. That's it.
But I don't like to eat fast food. This is not healthy at all. I always try to eat fresh vegetables.
Nice. I appreciate your good habits. After dinner, we watch a series on TV or a movie.
Good. But I don't like to watch series or movies. I spend time with my family members. I enjoy this.
Nice. On weekends, we play interesting games. If you want, you can join then. See you soon.
Oh, what type of games do you play?
We play badminton, cricket, and many other games.
That's really nice. Playing games is good for your health. I would like to join you.
You can come on Sunday. Okay, then see you soon. It's getting late now. I have to go to my work now. See you soon.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.